First at 4:30, the final defendant charged in connection with the carjacking and shooting of Reverend Dr. Artura Eason Williams went back before the judge this morning. The state offered Edward Rodriguez Tabora a plea deal in that case. The 22-year-old had to decide whether to take the deal or take the case to trial. Thanks for joining us, everyone. I'm Alex Coleman.
And I'm April Thompson. WRAG's Jarita Patterson with the moment Rodriguez Tabora declined that offer, instead electing to have a jury decide his fate.
Edward Rodriguez Tabora was in court Monday morning to decide whether to accept a plea deal or head to trial and accept the outcome from a jury of his peers. The assistant district attorney informing the court on the defendant's decision,
which was declined. At this point, the state is revoking any future offers and we're requesting a trial date.
The 22-year-old, with an interpreter by his side, took to the stand for his attorney to question his understanding of this choice.
We had an offer, and the offer was 35 years, range 3. You remember talking about that?
After answering yes, his lawyer continued.
The important thing about that offer, it gave you the ability to potentially get out of jail one day. After 16 years, you'd be eligible for parole.
He said he understood, shaking his head up and down while giving a verbal answer. If the plea were accepted, he would have had to admit to facilitation to commit first-degree murder. Rodriguez Tabora is the third and final person charged in connection with the deadly carjacking that claimed the life of Reverend Dr. Artura Eason Williams in July of 2022. The assistant DA saying they are ready to proceed.
The state would put on proof of the defendant's statement of admission in this matter. There would be video evidence in this matter. There would be a significant likelihood of conviction.
Before leaving, Rodriguez Tabora's lawyer making sure he knew what was on the line.
I want to make it clear that you know the risk if we go to trial. See?
Yes. With Tabora declining the state's offer of 35 years, the judge telling him if convicted of the original charge of first-degree murder, he could spend life in lockup. His trial is set for September 30th. For your news leader inside the Criminal Justice Center, Jarita Patterson, WREG News Channel 3.
Prosecutors are also saying they plan to call both of the teenage defendants already sentenced to testify against Rodriguez Tabora before the September trial. A report date has been set for July 16th.